Video Maker is a complex tool designed for creating high-quality videos in the most simple, but at the same time flexible manner. Multi-purpose templates will allow you to create any type of video for any topic, that is promo and music video, slideshow, presentation, social media video, broadcast, and more, for any display aspect ratio. Just choose a suitable preset, set basic settings, and hit OK. Video Maker will synchronize your footages with a template and a soundtrack and finalize the work in a few minutes. Video Maker Gallery offers you a variety of assets, effects, text, shapes, and transition elements, which will make your work more sufficient and a lot more flexible. Video Maker tool will allow you to work with your templates faster because all you need to do is push a few buttons. You don't need to be an After Effects expert. Now let's see how you can use Video Maker. This option is perfect when you have almost no time, but you need to prepare a couple of variations for your client and, well, in many other cases as well, when you really want to do the job quickly. Alright, so the first thing we must do is we should put videos and images into the footage folder and a soundtrack into the music folder. Choose a suitable preset and double-click on it. Set resolution, frame rate, and tempo. Then hit OK. Video Maker will complete the work within a few minutes. Even those who are not familiar with the After Effects interface can get a hold of this UI because it's so simple. Okay, now the last step. Let's change text. Hit Parse to analyze all the text in the project and click Replace. That's it. Let's check out the result. Looks great, isn't it? In contrast to the automatic generation of videos, you can achieve a more flexible operation by combining elements from the gallery. Select an element, double-click to add it to the project. Let's say I'd want to use some effects. For example, leaks. I think we should improve it. Let's use the assets. Maybe something stylish. That one. Nice. Using Video Maker tool, you can also work with your own templates. Now I'll show you one of the possible ways. Put your videos and images into the footage folder. Don't worry about the resolution of your footages. Video Maker adapts the size automatically. Select placeholder compositions in the project panel and click OK. It's pretty easy, isn't it? Forget about the routine. Save your time. Video Maker.